The central business problem is establishing trust between two parties across an untrusted network like the internet. Attackers can impersonate websites, intercept sensitive data, and redirect customers to fraudulent portals. Digital trust is the foundation for secure communication and customer confidence. An X509 certificate is a standardized digital credential used in a public key infrastructure, or PKI. It binds identity, a public key, and a trusted digital signature into a verifiable digital identity. BIPoint 509 is an internationally recognized standard with universal compatibility. Security engineering insight reveals that trust is more important than encryption. If a user connects to a fraudulent system, security has already failed, even if the connection is encrypted. BIPoint 509 certificates address critical risks like server impersonation and man-in-the-middle attacks. The challenge lies in the management of trust, not the cryptography. From a CISSP perspective, PKI supports 4 security objectives: authentication, integrity, non-repudiation, and confidentiality. Key PKI components include the Certificate Authority, Registration Authority, Certificate Repository, Certificate Revocation List, and the Online Certificate Status Protocol. Various trust models are supported, including hierarchical trust, cross-certification, bridge trust, and web of trust. Certificate lifecycle management involves generation, issuance, distribution, renewal, and revocation. Establishing trust is the prerequisite for all secure communication. In online banking, the browser performs several trust validations. This includes certificate validation, CA verification, and domain validation. It also performs revocation checking and the TLS handshake to establish secure session keys. Encrypted communication only begins after trust is established. AI use cases are elevating PKI and certificate governance. This includes AI-powered certificate discovery, AI-based risk analysis, AI-assisted threat detection, and AI-driven lifecycle management. AI-assisted PKI governance is becoming an operational necessity as certificate volumes grow exponentially. For startups, advisory recommendations include deploying TLS certificates on all public-facing services and automating certificate renewal. For enterprises, the focus should be on centralized PKI governance and enterprise certificate lifecycle management. The goal is enterprise-wide trust management. An executive takeaway is that many organizations overlook digital trust, the most critical foundation of cybersecurity. Failure to manage certificates disrupts operations, undermines customer confidence, and exposes the organization to significant legal and financial risk. Certificates must be managed with the same rigor as critical business systems. The trust flow starts with authentication, integrity, and trust, followed by the certificate authority issuing the BIPoint 509 certificate. This foundation supports the TLS handshake and secure communication, leading to business protection and an AI-enhanced PKI for continuous optimization. This video provided a visual overview, covering certificate issuance, the key security flow, a real-world banking process, and operational maturity for startups and enterprises. Finally, it highlighted the business risk and impact and the role of AI-driven PKI governance.